When you want to run LEDs, you have a lot of battery options. These are the holders that we sell. Our smallest holder holds a 1225 battery. It's very small. You can see this is great for when you really don't have a lot of room in your project to hide a battery. It can run 4 lights nice and bright. The next biggest battery, the coin cell, 2032 coin cell, can run more lights, and it can run lights more brightly. Going up in size, the AAA also is nice and compact. It's a little bigger than these small coin cells, but it can run a lot more lights, and it can run the lights a little bit more brightly. The next bigger battery is the AA. The AA is great because you wouldn't have to change your batteries very often. All of our batteries come with this on-off switch, all of our battery holders. These batteries, you have the option of buying the battery along with the holder, or you can just buy the holder by itself. A big advantage of running, all of these batteries are 3 volt, and an advantage of running on 3 volt is many of our colors don't need a resistor, so you don't have any kind of bump in the wire. So the colors that don't need a resistor are warm white, cool white, blue, and green. Going up to 9 volt, the 9 volt can run flashing, solid, flickering without any of the lights having carryover where the solids start to flicker because there's a flash on the same circuit. The 9 volt can do that. If you wanted to do that on the 3 volt batteries, you'd really have to have a separate battery for your flashing and a separate battery for your solids. The 9 volt can also run circuits, but you can see on the 9 volt you do have resistors in the wire. It's not big, but it is something to consider.